Good morning, y'all. Welcome to another day. We should expect some volatility today, but before I go into that, I want to give God all the thanks and praises for waking me up this morning, the ability to trade, to make money and help others make money as well, and have my beautiful wife
Good
beside me to trade.
morning.
With that said, guys, we're going to jump into the charts. We have CPI this morning. The numbers came out. Um, Let me refresh my screen right here so you could see. So numbers came out, didn't come out good, but not far off, right? But the numbers came out right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at the market right now. I'm just looking at certain things as far as if gold pushes up, which gold did push up. We see that reverse on gold right here to go up. So gold should push up more. If gold is pushing up, that means the market should fall. But at the same time, we're seeing where right here, the market itself is up, but it's not up by a lot. Okay. I'm definitely watching one stock that I'm watching this morning is BA. Okay. I'm looking at BA because if BA breaks right here, we're going to push the 220 at least. So I want to see what BA does. Market is about to open. So let's see.
Yeah. Oh, you know this one.
Um, what is Riot doing? Riot is not far off. Meta crossing 605. Meta crossing 605. Why would I have Meta crossing 605? I mean 705?
They might have meant that.
Okay, so Meta break to the upside, so Meta would be a call. Look at this right now. Let me see. Market just opened, so I just want to give it. Let me see on the weekly. Why did I have it for here? All right. Is it monthly? No, it's not monthly. Is it the resistance or something? What did my alert says? All right, so I'm gonna wait for a couple minutes on Meta. So AVGO broke this daily, gapped up and broke the day right here. But I'm still watching AVGO because I'm still bearish on AVGO. I still have my contract, my 235 contract. If this break above here, then I'll close it. If AVGO breaks above here, now it came down here and tested 50.
But that's not something you guys were in.
No,
that's
they're
just
not.
something
They're
personal
not
we're talking about here.
They're not in it, right?
Just so you guys know.
Nobody should be in it. I just have that from the week started. Meta is pulling back. Be patient, guys. Just make sure you be patient today in your trades. Make sure you're being patient today on your trades. Everything is slow.
We're just giving the market some time to settle, y'all. Good morning. Good morning to those that are now coming in.
Yeah, I'm just watching the market right now, guys. Just being patient. Got to be patient. Wait for the proper setup before jumping into anything right now. Whoa, Tesla up that fucking much? That's crazy.
Did you talk about Tesla call?
Yeah, it's a Tesla reversed on thing. Heavy jam looks like it wants to break.
Where's your phone? We haven't taken any trades, so you guys know.
No trades yet, guys. No trades yet. Maybe you have a queen to the upside down. Close the thing.
Sure.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Come on, stop playing. Get ready on that. That's right. It's coming back down. If it break above this 5, then we can push up. My stop, if I get in Meta, my stop will be right here.
So we're looking at Meta, possibly, but we're just watching it right now. We haven't done anything. It's touching VWAP right now.
All right, so I'll pop above this 5, and I'm probably going to take Meta on a call. SPY coming back. Is SPY dropping?
I have to put it in a different chart. I can't see that.
SPY came back in. Meta. All right, I'm going to jump into, did it break? No, not yet.
So as soon as it break, how much?
Yeah. Morning, guys. I'm not in any trades yet. Not in any trades yet. Two minutes left in this 15-minute candle. Not sure if I want to take a trade. Let's see. I was waiting for Meta to pop above here. I'll pop above this 5, and I'll take it on a call. My stop loss is going to be the bottom of this 15 minutes. So it's like a $2 drop. That's my risk. Nothing is happening right now. Yeah, at this point, I'm going to wait. It might do some dumb shit
You have
right
2
here.
minutes left in the 15.
You see this 15-minute candle. Might entertain shorts.
It just depends on what the 15 does. The new 15 comes in and does.
Listen, I play what the charts give me right now, and we're setting up for shorts on these. want it to pop. If this pops up, this right now is ending in an inverted hammer. If we come down here, or they call it a shooter, but in a sense, if we want to see a pop up first and reject VWAP, a break of this 15, and I'll short it.
So get ready for puts instead.
No, just at this point is like
we'll see. We'll
see. So that's a perfect reversal candle in a sense. But we want, if it ends like that, this is like having a hammer, right? That's a perfect hammer, but an inverted hammer. That's like perfect. So in a sense, we want the next price. We want price to now go up, touch this right here, touch VWAP. We want to push up first, touch VWAP, and then come and break here. Come and break here, and I'll take a short. It broke already, so we broke to the low.
If you look at the 5 minute, it broke the inside.
All right, so I'm a short Meta.
We're at 700 put.
$700 put. We could come down to this line right here, 689, 698. Here's a drop, guys.
Let me see the 15. Is there a top on that?
Yeah. Yeah, we should come down to here.
Put a line there.
All right, so we should be good right here, guys. We're dropping right now. How much is it?
It is up almost 7%.
How much?
7%, 5%, roughly. It's going down and forth.
Up 5% on these contracts. SPY is tanking right now. SPY is taking a dookie right now, so we should see. Yeah, SPY is falling right here. So if you guys are joining in right now, I'm in Meta puts. I'm in $700 puts. Reason why I took it, we have a perfect inverted hammer right here, which is a reversal candle. Once we break, that's a reversal candle to the downside. The first take profit should be the bottom of this candle, right? We might come down to the 50% retracement line is right at 97.33, so 697.33, right? So pay attention to that. All right, so this 5-minute candle is ending right now, so that's why you see this pullback is happening. We still good on the 15-minute candle. We still have 10 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. I don't like that SPY is doing that. Okay, I don't like that SPY came all the way back up on this 15-minute candle. So if we have a reversal on this 5-minute, so basically if this 5-minute candle breaks this previous 5, which if this basically turns green, I'm closing my contract. Right down here is where we have the 200, which is a good support level, at least for this to bounce back off of. Right now, SPY just reversed right there on the 5-minute, so I don't like that. I need this to still come down. Yeah, SPY is pushing back up to the upside, which Meta is doing as well. We have a little gap right here. This candle is saying that we should come down.
Because it can go up, touch VWAP.
Yeah, that's the thing. Going up, reject VWAP and come back down. This showing that it's reversed to come down. You gotta be patient on this. It did have a gap, a little small gap. Just touching a VWAP. SPY's breaking back up to the upside. So I'm like this. Now this is turning right here. You see? That broke already to the upside. I can't let it go all the way up. I need it to reject right now on the VWAP. We're hitting VWAP right now. So rejection off of VWAP. It's like with this, guys, it's like, all right, there's no reversal on the 15-minute. We see that price says we're gonna go down. Based on this candle, we have the reversal to the downside. So it's telling us we should go down. There's no reversal to the upside on the 15-minute to say that it's gonna go back up. Apart from I have to wait the next 5 minutes for this candle to end, and then a break off the 15. Right here we have VWAP sitting right here. Right? So we went up to test VWAP, okay? Still testing a VWAP. We have 3 minutes left in this candle. So what? What is this?
Sounds like a go.
So right now we're still sitting in puts. We have 3 minutes left in this candle. So what I don't want is this to push all the way up, right? We need to reject VWAP, stay under VWAP right here. A reversal on the 15-minute, and I'll have to close. Technically, how our setup is we're supposed to wait for the breakup here, but I'm not doing that. I'm not waiting for Meta to break up here for me to get out the trade. Based on how I took my trade, my stop loss should be all the way up at the top. But I want to mitigate my risk. If anything, I'll look for another reversal. If I see a reversal on the 15-minute to go back up, then I'll close this. But if not, then I'll keep it if it stays under the VWAP, which we're still under VWAP right here. With SPY right now, SPY rejected that line. I don't know where that line came from.
No,
but
I obviously had it from previous.
I had that line from previous, so SPY is rejecting that line right there. And we're right
still
here.
Holding on VWAP.
So a minute and 40 seconds left. If SPY, now this is my thing. If SPY comes down and break this level right here, SPY is going to push. SPY is going to push. So now with a minute and 20 seconds left, my stop loss is the break of this candle. Okay, so a break of this 15-minute candle to the high, and I have to close at that point because that will be a reversal on the 15-minute. Right now, we're still bearish because we're under VWAP. We're coming back down. So I'm fine, right? A break above here, that will be my stop loss. Like I said, this candle is definitely, like, if I was supposed to see this candle on a hammer, which this is a hammerhead, but it's an inverted hammerhead. So anytime you see something like this, you short. You automatically, like, that's one of my perfect setups that I see, right? The thing is, with options, when price, your stop loss is supposed to be the top of here. With options, that can kill your contract. Going all the way up here, that can kill your contract. So in a sense, that's why I'm like, all right, we're still below VWAP right here. My stop loss now becomes the top of this candle. So I mitigate my losses my losses will be a lot less than if I was supposed to go all the way up to the top of the 15-minute candle, which is up here. Now, if we break above this, then Meta is going to be a call at that point, right? We can watch SPY. SPY seems like it wants to push. And if SPY breaks right here, that's going to be a call. Meta is mimicking SPY right now. Approaching VWAP again, we want to see that rejection off of VWAP. So right now it's 10 o'clock. Want to see the rejection right here off of VWAP. A break of here and we're going to fall, okay? A break of this 15-minute candle and we're going to fall. So SPY just reversed to the high. SPY just broke to the high. SPY just did a reversal on this 15-minute right here. It's still holding right here though. If you look on a smaller time frame doesn't show anything. Smaller time frame, they're above VWAP. Right? All right, there goes a rejection off of that. Want to just see a continuation down. Where are we at on the contracts?
We're down. This is it. I have this just in case it's spike, but I'm probably just gonna do this.
Okay. If we break here, we're gonna fall.
Oh, okay. You can see how much it was, 12 minutes.
Yeah, if we break here, we're gonna fall. Yeah, if we break here, we're gonna fall. Because this is breaking the 30-minute as well. We have the same thing, a shooter on the 30-minute. Break up the 30-minute, of course, right here. Possibly test the 50 down there. All right, so SPY just rejected that right here. Why am I? Is it every time I have the thing on? All right, guys, so the only thing I'm in right now is Meta puts. I'm in Meta puts right now. I'm in Meta $700 puts. My stop loss is going to be above this 15-minute candle. SPY rejected right here. You just want to see SPY continue to fall. If SPY continue to fall, then this will fall. But even on the 30-minute time frame, we're bearish on Meta. So if you look on the 30-minute, wrong one. But if you look on the 30-minute right here on Meta, we're bearish as well, and we have a shooter. So if we break right here, we're gonna fall.
I see all the time frames.
The 1 hour, we have 25 minutes. The 1 hour, like we still can, we can drop on the 1 hour, but that's gonna take a little bit more time, right? I want to get out before this 1 hour close. Again, right down here, the 200 is like a magnet. So the 200 is like a magnet. So if this falls, we should come back down to the 200, right? Because the 200 is like a magnet. So we're going to watch right here. I want to see this 5 break this previous 5. So a break on the previous 5. We should continue to fall. I'll always go just to be in a little thing, like go to a smaller time frame. All right, so this 5 just broke. So we should continue down right at this 200. We might bounce off that 200 on the 5, right? So just pay attention to this.
I mean, if you got in with us, you're green right now, just so you know.
You should be up on your contracts. Like right now, we're green, but not by much.
Yeah.
All right, so again, the only thing I'm in is Meta puts. I'm in $700 puts on Meta. So that's the only thing I'm in right now. $700 puts on Meta. My stop is going to be the top of this 15-minute candle. Right now, SPY is doing dumb shit. SPY needs to reject and come back down. But SPY is doing dumb shit. If SPY is doing dumb shit, you might see the reaction off of Meta as well. So SPY is messing around in this area. We're bearish on 30-minute, 1 hour, and 50-minute on Meta. So I just need to see this break. We break and we're gonna fall. We break and we're gonna fall. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right, SPY's starting to drop. SPY's dropping again. Is there news? There's no more news. No, Fed budget balance at 2 o'clock, 10:30 crude oil. So no news. All right, this is just messing around. This is just messing around. Like we have this 5 minutes pushing back up. This is messing around right now. I don't like that.
I mean, the 5 minutes because it's the last couple seconds.
Yeah, the 5 minutes is showing like a thing though. Broke here, coming back up. We're messing around in this region right here. All right, so when in doubt, you go to I don't like using Heikanashi, just to let y'all know. But Heikanashi kind of keep you calm and see where the trend is. Right now, we're in a bearish trend on the 5-minute, on the 15-minute, indecisive on the 15-minute as well. Meta SPY is now pushing again. But it doesn't want to break above there. All right, so my stop loss is getting tighter and tighter, guys. Okay. So my stop loss is going to get tighter and tighter. Right now, my stop loss is above the 15. Any break of a 15-minute candle and I'm out. Any break of a 15-minute candle and I'm out. So right now, SPY is looking like it wants to push. We still have to break above this high at 604.24. A break above that high and SPY is gonna push. All right, 3 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. We have 3 minutes, 20 seconds left in this 15-minute candle. Where is... I forgot about... What is that doing? Yes? Yeah.
We got sweet little kids. Always want to check in on us.
All right, we're still looking good as far as meta to the downside. Where are we at? Break even?
A little bit above.
A little bit above, so a little bit
slightly,
green.
you know, there's a little spread, so
we're a little bit
yeah,
green on meta.
We're at break even right now. That's exactly.
A little bit green on meta.
Nah, not anymore.
Talking too quick. All right, so we have 1 minute and 50 seconds left in this candle, right? SPY calls are looking good if it breaks right here. All right, so again, my stop is going to switch, okay? So my stop is going to switch as the market does what the market does, right? So my thing is, my first stop was all the way up here because the break of the candle, I didn't like it, right? But I'm using VWAP, okay? So right now, my stop loss was going to be a break of this 15-minute candle right here, okay? Now that this new 15-minute candle is about to end, right? A break of this 15-minute candle to the upside, and I have to close my contract, okay? Because that's signifying that we're pushing back up. So I want to make sure that we're staying under VWAP, and then we should be good. This 30-minute candle, we're rejecting VWAP on the 30-minute candle, as you can see. We are bearish on this, right? We're bearish on this. I just want to mitigate my losses, if anything. Have your stops in place just in case, because at the end of the day, even though we're bearish, we still can push up, okay? And we could push all the way back up to highs, and then that's going to kill your contract, versus if you take that small loss, then you could lift the trade another day, right? It's okay to cut your trades and do another trade. Now, no, what are you doing? Yo, every time you do that,
Okay.
could you, all right, hurry up.
Look, it's already thing, but I have.
All right, the one thing I don't like with this candle is that it doesn't have a top on it. Okay, this 15-minute don't have a top on it, so we might pop back up. Now this is the last 15-minute of the 1 hour candle. So we could push back up and then continue down, or we could push back up and then break to the highs. So you have to make sure. That's why I said my stop is gonna be the top of this 15-minute candle. So you see how it popped back up right here? All right. So now I want it to come back down. Okay. That's why I said it didn't have. Yeah, I just wanted a wick on it. SPY broke to the upside, guys. SPY broke to the upside. So SPY right now is a call. SPY just broke day high. Do you have?
Yeah. You're right. It's good.
Take some SPY. Hold on, this is a couple minutes left in this 1 hour too. Yeah. Yeah, no. No. There's one thing left in this. All right, Meta is approaching my stop loss. A break above the 15-minute candle, and I'm closing. Okay, a break above the 15-minute.
Touching VWAP right now.
It's test. It's about. It's approaching VWAP. It just tests VWAP. So right here is testing VWAP. If you look at the 1 hour candle, no, that's thing. Yeah, SPY is definitely gonna push, which is telling me that this most likely will push too. If you look at the 1 hour chart on here, right, we're under VWAP, which I hate. I would hate to close my contracts, but I'm taking. It's the risk factor. Like regardless, I'm closing my trade if I see a reversal. I don't care. That's my trading plan. So once you have a trading plan, guys, make sure you stick to it. SPY is pushing. All right, I'm closing. I'm closing my Meta calls. Meta just reversed back to the upside on a 15-minute. Now, could these fuckers see that I'm like stop loss right there and then reject and come back down? Yeah, could. I like SPY calls though. I like SPY calls. That's a 605?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see the 5. Wait on this. Come back down. Crazy part is we're still on the VWAP for Meta. We didn't close above VWAP, but it broke right here, so I'm getting out. So the same thing happened to me yesterday. Was it yesterday? Same thing happened to me. Similar thing happened to me yesterday with AVGO, right? AVGO was bearish. And I took puts on AVGO, but because I have my stop loss here at the top of the 15, it showed like a breakout. It just went above. Sometimes you have to have patience to just be like, all right, wait a little bit. But that patience with wait a little bit can pop as well. And then you'd be like, holy shit. So I rather close out and then re-enter the trade if I have to. But with this right here, we're reversing to the upside. We should come up probably back up to here on the day. Meta on the day. I had lines in here. For some reason. So Meta can push all the way back up to day high. Where you at? Where is it at now? It's up already 10%. All right, so right now we're not in anything, guys. We close out our Meta puts. I like SPY to the upside. I really like SPY to the upside. SPY broke to the upside. Just gotta wait. We have 5 minutes left in this 1 hour candle. So I'd rather be patient. Somebody could push the 405 right here if it breaks. 605. All right, there goes Meta. So Meta is approaching the first area where it's supposed to touch is the top of right here. So that's the first area it's supposed to touch based on breaking this candle. So it's by let me see. It's about to hit 605. All right, guys. So this is the last couple minutes of the 1 hour candle on my chart. All right, so this is a 1 hour chart on things. So now this candle turned green. You have the 15-minute, which approach right here. And then the 30-minute is an inside bar. So I break out this 30-minute, which is the same thing, and we're going to push back up to the highs with Meta. Remember, this is the last minute of the 1 hour candle, so we can pull back on SPY. So that's why I didn't get into SPY right away. Even though SPY break to the highs, like if you look at that candle right here, like we need to come back, because if anything, now if this just break and go up, I don't like that. I like to see some type of retracement and then a break of the candle. Do it SPY. I'll look at the 606. The 606 would be a target. This could go up to 610. All right, so this is a new 1 hour candle, new half an hour candle all that stuff in one. See the rejection right here. A break of this and Meta is probably can push back up to the upside. Right now I'm not in any trades, guys. The only the only thing I'm not in no day trades. Okay. The only thing I'm in as far as swing trades right now, I'm in Riot $11 calls for next week. So I'm in Riot $11 calls for next week. So that's a swing trade. I never finished my thing.
It's probably cold. Is it cold?
Mm-hmm. I heard you call it.
Oh.
This is the bullshit that be happening. Right? Like this is the bullshit that be happening. But it's okay. It's okay. Like 9 times out of 10, it's like, all right, you take your stop, but it's that one time. It's that one time that will mess you up. Okay. It only takes one time for your trade, for you not to take that stop loss, and your account gets like hit bad. Okay. So I took the stop on Meta because it broke the 15 and it's still rejecting that area. Right? It's still rejecting that area. So we'll see now how Spy's looking. Spy's coming down on the 15-minute, which I wanted it to, because if you look at the 1 hour, you want it to come down at least a VWAP or the body of the candle. The body of the candle is going to be a support area. Okay. So the body of the candle is going to be that support area. So if it come down to the body of the candle, come back up and break, then that's when I'll take it. Right now, Meta is coming back down. Meta is below VWAP on the 30-minute. Gotta love it. 1 hour bearish. Right below that, you have a bearish divergence. No bearish divergence on here on a 15-minute. So All right, you know I'm on the line. He
It might be something. I'm curious.
Yeah. Let me. Did he say something? No. And I can't check my messages.
We can get off of this. I always come back on that.
She met it. Yo.
That is stressing. Listen, off of that.
So Meta is falling again. Probably would
But
have
it
been.
didn't break. It didn't give the actual signal yet
It's for what?
for the reversal. It hasn't. It's not
It's
there yet.
it's not there yet.
But listen,
It's not there yet.
before you stress yourself out, until that break, then
Yeah.
now it could have touched the green.
It could have touched the green
nice
and go
area
up.
and go up. So at the end of the day,
All right.
when you have your trading plan, guys, you have your trading plan,
And you stick to your trading plan.
If it's a small loss, like you said, you have another day to trade. That's just how I view things. Over the years, we just had to realize how important a stop loss is.
You got to.
And you got to be okay with it.
Got to. That's why I'm like, yo, it's sometimes it's
people
like,
may not like it, and it's okay, but you can come back on and trade again.
There you go. I'm liking SPY calls, but I'm waiting for it to break. Liking SPY calls. It's like not. The crazy thing is, all of these are not moving the way they supposed to.
Moving kind of slow.
He might be calling me about something too, Yeah, he's calling me about dropping, but
you have that phone too,
what was I on?
You can. Oh no, you don't.
Things are just moving sideways right now, guys. I'm looking for a breakout over this 1 hour on SPY. Meta right now, it's consolidating. I feel like it's getting ready to move either to the upside or to the downside. Right now, a break of that, and we could push on Meta. We could push on Meta. But we have to break this 15-minute. See how we come down here? We didn't break this 15-minute as far as a reversal to the downside, which my wife mentioned. But if you look at this consolidation with SPY,
There you go.
yeah, I saw it. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Nothing really happening with these two right now. Crazy thing is the CPI numbers weren't good. Everything came out not good. Everything came out red. But most of the market gapped up. I think the market is gonna fall, Seeing gold pushing. Seeing gold pushing. So I pay attention to certain things. I have my goal down here, and goal has been pushing. You can't have goal and the market go up at the same time. Just doesn't work. And right now, goal is pushing. Goal had goal has a bullish divergence right now on the 15-minute to go up, and then with goal already broke day high, so goal should come back up all the way up here. If gold pushes, that means that the market should drop, which coincides with my my meta trade. So right now, see SPY. They're both doing the same thing. Which is weird. ready for SPY calls. Crazy. SPY and gold is doing the same thing.
I still want the 606.
Yeah. I'm looking at 606 calls on SPY. But SPY have to break this area before I could get in. Just to let you know.
Have to what? Break the...
SPY have to break above here for me to get into it. It's 19 cents.
Instead of the one. Like the whole area. Gotcha.
All right, so I'm going to get into a SPY call. SPY calls. A break below here, and I'll have to close. I'm going to close SPY. So a break below this 15-minute, and I'm closing SPY. That's my stop loss. So I just jump into SPY calls. SPY broke the 1 hour to the upside. Targets on SPY that I have is 538, 605.38, 605.75. But ultimately up here is where you see some type of resistance at 606. So that's why I got a 606 call, right? Because my level up here where you're going to see some type of sell is 606. So let's see what this does. You didn't put in anything, right?
No.
Oh, okay. I just wanted to make sure.
Maybe not.
No. No, no. All right, guys. So I have 5 minutes left. So make sure you're monitoring your trades. I have 5 minutes left. My hard cutoff is at 11 o'clock. My stop loss for SPY is going to be the bottom of the 15-minute candle at 604.38 is going to be my stop. So right here is going to be my stop on Meta, on not Meta, but on SPY, 604.38. These contracts, if we push, these contracts should do 100% or more. Here we go on this. They should do 100% or more. by the end of like with the push that I'm looking at, by the end of the day, we start off at 602, so we could push. If we have a $7 ATR, we could push. We could try to test 610. To be honest, we could try to test 610. Just make sure that you're taking profit. Regardless, just make sure you're taking profit. All right, so there's a push up on SPY right now. It's like slow right now. So right now we might see a slow creep up, and then later on in the day, like after lunch or so, we might get a push. Okay. Right now we're setting up like this one, a pullback on SPY right here. I still like SPY to the upside for the day. But again, my stop loss is going to be right at the bottom of here. Right. So make sure you're monitoring your trades, guys. It's 11 o'clock. My hard stop is at 11 o'clock. So with that, I'll see y'all tomorrow. If you have any questions, I didn't see any questions in here. No questions.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
Nobody.
All right. So just to give you a gist of why I took the trade, on the 1 hour we broke the 1 hour on SPY. We came down, we broke the 1 hour on SPY, so we should push up more on that, right? So that's why I took that trade on SPY. And then earlier on Meta, I took Meta, but I closed Meta. Okay, I closed Meta because it popped up above that area, and now it's been consolidating. But now we have a double inside, and it broke to the upside. So by it breaking to the upside, that means that we most likely will see that push, because we broke to the upside. So be careful with that. If you're still in the puts, make sure that you monitor your trades accordingly. But with Meta, because we have a double inside right here, when we break this, we could see that push back up to the highs on here. Was that on the 30-minute as well? No, yeah, we have a double inside on the 30-minute as well. So I would say before that, wait for the break of the 30-minute. So that will be a stronger push. So wait for the break of either the 30-minute to the upside or to the downside. All right. So, all right, guys, with that said, that's it for me for the day. All right. I'll see y'all tomorrow.